Hello guys, this is Shiva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to scalp the market. Alright, so without wasting much of our time, I'm going to quickly share with you guys the indicator setup. Then after that, I'll be explaining how the strategy works. Okay, so first of all, you click on this F icon. After clicking on that, you search for the fractal. Alright, but in this strategy, the fractal is of no use. Okay, so let's just move to the MACD. Alright, so you click on this plus icon, then you search for your fractals. Right now, these are the properties for the fractal. The fast EMA is 3, slow EMA is 5, MACD SMA is 13. Apply to its close. Right, the level, you leave it as it is. Time frame is all time frame. Now under the style, the main, you make it the color of your background, then you use 1 pixel. The signal, you make it color red, 3 pixel. Right, so after setting everything, you click on done. The next indicator here is moving average. You click on the indicator in the 1 plus icon, you search for your moving average. The period, you make it 1, shift is 0, method is simple, apply to its first indicators data. The level, you leave it as it is. Time frame is all time frame. The style, you make it color blue, 3 pixel, and you click on done. The last indicator we have here is relative strength index, which is used for the levels. Alright, the oversold and the overbought. Now you click on the indicator window 1, you search for your relative strength index. Alright, these are the properties. The period is 1, apply to its close. The level, you make it 85 and 15. The color is red, 4 pixel. You click on done. The time frame is all time frame. Now under the style, you make it color white, 1 pixel, and you click on done. Alright, so once you have set everything correctly, as I've just explained, you are going to have a screen like this. Alright, as you can see here, the strategy looks very messy, but I assure you it's a very powerful strategy that you can use to milk the market on daily basis. This is on daily basis, and it has multiple entry opportunity. All right, so make sure you listen to everything I'm going to be instructing you in this video, and you are good to go. Okay, but before I explain how the strategy work, I want to quickly remind you guys about the powerful boom and crash strategy for growing as little as a $5 account. All right, now this strategy I'm talking about is a very powerful strategy. Right, it's designed for only boom and crash, and you can use it to grow as little as a $5 account. All right, and it's designed in such a way that even a beginner can use it to grow their small account. Even if you are starting out, you can use this strategy to grow your small account. All right, so if you are interested, you check the description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp contact. Make sure to message me and we discuss on how you get the strategy. All right, so that's that about that. Okay, that is that about the strategy. Now back to this one right here. All right, now this is a very sweet strategy. All right, a very sweet strategy that you can use to make money on daily basis. All right, now this is how it works. First of all, whenever there's a spike in the market, right, you check your indicator window here. See this blue line here? It needs to get to the overbought level. That's the first condition. Right, now whenever you see this blue line now crossing below this red one, right, immediately it crosses. Immediately you see that it crosses, just go for 2 candles, not 5 this time. All right, this one is very risky, so you go for 2 candles only. 2 candles. You can increase your lot size if you want. All right, you can increase your lot size if you want, but that 2 candle is sure to enter for you. Like, it's sure that you will use the 2 candle to make money. All right, so you take 2 candles and then you leave. All right, let's go to another example so that you see that the strategy is working. It works very well. Okay, so I'll show you multiple examples in this video so that you confirm it that the strategy works. But after confirming it, you need to do the practice yourself. Okay, don't just take my words for it. Now here is another example. Right, it's at the overbought level. You take your 2 candles. Right, and this strategy is to only be used on boom 1000 and crash 1000. All right, these are the 2 you can use the strategy on. Right, so don't take it to any other boom and crash. Just use it on boom 1000 and crash 1000. All right, so now you take 2 candles, right, another example here. Immediately you cross, you take your 2 candles. You can see this is the area where it crosses. You see that you'll be able to take 2 candles, right? Now let's go to another example. Now around this area here where price is very messy, around this area here, you see that you'll be able to take your 2 candles before any spike will come, right? So this is where it crosses. You see that around this area you would have taken your 2 candles before this long spike will come, right? So let's move again. Now this is it at the overbought level, right? Let's see if we got our 2 candles. You can see that we got our 2 candles around the area where it crosses here. You can see that you'll be able to take your 2 candles around that area. All right, so let's go again. You can see it crosses here, right? It crosses around this area here. Now let's see if you take your 2 candles. You can see you'll be able to take the 2 candles before the spike will come. All right, you'll be able to take your 2 candles. Now let's go again. Now it crosses here again. You can see you'll be able to take your 2 candles. All right, so I can continue showing you this all day, guys. I can continue showing you this all day. All right, I can continue showing you this all day, and you'll see that you'll be safe. All right, now to make things very interesting, all right, I know that this strategy works very well, but still you need to follow the trend of the market. All right, you need to follow the trend in order to be more safer, right? At this level, judging from the 1 minute time frame, you don't know what the overall movement of the market is. All right, so you will be kind of blind. All right, and there are times where I know that no strategy is 100%, but there are times where it's going to be when the strategy is going to fail you. All right, that's why you need to analyze from the 30-minute or the 15-minute time frame, all right, to know the overall trend of the market. As you can see right now, we are in an uptrend, right? So you can either go to the 15-minute time frame to do your analysis. All right, so when do your analysis, all right, this is what you want to take note of, all right, in order to get quick entries, right? So whenever this blue line here crosses below the red line, right, immediately you see that it's below the red line on the 15-minute time frame, then you rush down to the 5-minute time frame. This is where it crosses, right? Around this area, this is the area where it crosses. So you can see around this area here we are kind of in an uptrend. All right, so in this kind of situation, you rush down to your 1 minute time frame and you will just be waiting. All right, you will just be waiting on the 1 minute time frame. So immediately you see spike and this blue line gets to there, you know that 2 candle is sure for you. It's sure, like you can even go for margin. So that is how you do this thing. All right, you need to use your head sometime, not just taking strategy and then doing whatever you like. You need to use your head with these things sometimes. That's why sometimes when I give you strategy, you'll be complaining that it doesn't work, but you are not using your head the way you are supposed to use it. Sometimes you need to apply wisdom to this thing, right, so that you get good results, right? So that is it. That is how the strategy work, right? So what I am expecting you guys to do now is to back test it, or you demonstrate it for like a week or 2. All right, don't just take my words for it. Make sure you put in the work to make sure the strategy is working so that you get good results. All right, so that is it, guys. If you are a new viewer coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. All right, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. For those of you who have not yet joined my Telegram channel, the link is in the description. Please make sure to join. All right, so I'll be seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Silver out. Before I go, the zoom level, you zoom out completely, because there are some that will still come and ask me. You zoom out completely, you zoom in 2 times, right? Or you zoom in 3 times, right? You zoom in, this is the complete zoom out. You zoom in 1, 2, right? Zoom in 2 times or 3 times and you are good to go. Okay, so that's it, guys.